Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting now. Open Logic Pro on your iPad and choose New Project, then decide live loops or tracks depending on workflow. Set tempo and time signature, select your input device, and turn the metronome on so timing stays consistent. Once done, add an instrument or audio track and record arm it. You don't need perfection yet, just capture ideas. Make sure your iPad audio permissions are allowed, and your interface is connected, so the signal routes correctly into Logic. Now you build, trim and split recorded regions, loop sections that work, and use comping to assemble the best takes. This speeds editing. Open the piano roll to fix MIDI notes, apply quantize for tight timing, and humanize small variations so it breathes. Once the parts are solid, add smart controls and insert effects on tracks, compressors, reverb, and draw automation lanes to shape dynamics and movement. By mixing as you arrange, you'll spot balance issues early and avoid last-minute fixes. Finish strong, balance levels and panning, apply corrective EQ, and route groups to buses for glue with bus compression. Add subtle master processing and reference against a familiar track. When ready, bounce your mix to WAV or AAC, choose the sample rate and bit depth you need, and include normalization only if required. If something goes wrong, check latency and dropouts by increasing buffer size, confirm the iPad and interface share the same sample rate, and verify input cables and routing. Most issues are signal chain or buffer related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.